Okay, so took the back entrance to the plot today, but I thought it was a shortcut, but it's not. It's turning out to be a long cut, but seeing a couple things along the way. So that's technically the border right there. That little stream, I believe, that's the border between Berlin and Brandenburg, in this little kind of swampy area over here. But this is a kind of cool thing. I've actually never seen this before in real life. That is that looks like the work of some East Berlin beavers there, doing their thing with their teeth and making themselves a little dam here. So maybe we'll spot one of these guys. I don't know if they're hanging out, but you can see on the other side where they did the same thing over there. So we're gonna keep trying to go. I don't know how much more of a long cut I've made this into, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah, so this is just the path. I actually thought it would cut over the creek at some point, but it doesn't look like it's doing that, so I've got to go up until I get to another bridge. Get you a little bit better view of the mountain, the quote mountain unquote, and our little stream over here. It's pretty nice. Maybe you can come here during the summer. We'll see, but that's our natural stream going by. So still in the middle of my long cut, so just wanted to show you that's the length of the where the gardens all are. So that's still part of the same gardening allotments, and I just found out, so I finished up the last of the paperwork and found out these are all actually established in 1988, so right before there was no more East Germany. That's when these East German plots were established. They're actually kind of set up, have been told to give some land plots to some of the people that were living in all the Plattenbaus and the East German housing around here in this area. Give them a little bit of land and a Schreber garden, as they're called over here. If you want to know a little bit more about that, you can check down below in the description. I've got a link to history of Schreber gardens and some stuff like that. Don't know if you can see it, but it looks like one of our other neighbors is there. See this guy? You see him right there? Yeah, he's hanging out there. He sees me. Okay, hi Mr. Bird. Sorry, took the wrong way. Okay, so as I said, our shortcut turned into a long cut, but I guess it's all right. Seeing the hood, that's where got some different paths over there. And then this pasture, they keep there's some Scottish Highlands cattle somewhere. They're usually around here somewhere. But in the background there, yep, you can see the beautiful buildings of Marzahn rising above the horizon there. Finally back on the right trail, and this is kind of a interesting find here. There's a bunch of furniture. This is kind of a German thing. They'll usually leave stuff outside the door. Zu verschenken means to give away, but this is, I think, literally looks like somebody just dumped this stuff in a field. I mean, I guess if I needed a table or a couch bad enough, I could take it. But yeah, somebody just dumped a bunch of crap here. Thanks, guys. Okay, and there's the gardens are over there. Is that some kind of animal? This is some dog. Oh, if you hear the explosions, that's not the Russians. That's a cat. Hey, kitty. It's almost New Year's Eve, so there's people setting off fireworks already. Let's see what this guy's up to. Oh, okay. Oh, wildcat. seating.